what is meant by benevolent leadership. Benevolence is a concept originally linked to philosophy and refers to wishing well for others. According to social psychologist Shalom Schwartz, benevolence is one of the 10 fundamental human values and involves certain behaviors such as being helpful, forgiving, or responsible. In the human resources management literature, benevolence is defined as a concern for or attention to others aimed at promoting their well-being. Among its various forms and uses, benevolent leadership has become prominent and has attracted growing interest since the end of the 20th century. Initially, research was rooted in Confucian culture in Asia, particularly through the theory of paternalistic leadership, of which benevolence is one of the 3 sub-dimensions. More recently, benevolent leadership has emerged in the West, and this for 2 main reasons. On the one hand, workforce reductions, layoff plans, and mergers and acquisitions have led to significant distrust toward leadership. On the other hand, ethical scandals, waves of fraud, and the pursuit of financial prosperity at the expense of societal well-being have caused individuals to become disillusioned with companies and their leaders. In the 2010s, 2 Canadian researchers, Farhi Karakas and Emine Sarigollu, developed a theory of benevolent leadership in order to restore the relationship between employees and leaders. The authors define this concept as, I quote, a process of creating virtuous cycles of encouragement and initiating positive changes within organizations. Benevolent leadership is based on 4 paradigms of the common good in organizational research, namely morality, spirituality, vitality, and community. Respectively, this is manifested through ethical decision-making, creating meaning, inspiring hope, as well as courage to take positive actions and having a positive impact on the broader community. Benevolent leadership is therefore described here as the coexistence of several leadership styles. For example, ethical leadership, servant leadership, or transformational leadership, which would enable leaders to address the multidimensional challenges they face while positively contributing to the common good of their organization. But the significant contribution of this theory is the development of a psychometric scale. It provides concrete behaviors for benevolent leaders and makes it possible to identify the benefits, positive changes, and observable outcomes common good of their organization.